is Miriam Cormio from ALAS Meccanica. I'm the quality manager of the company, and I'd like to show you the new entry of our equipment, the universal grinding GIORIA. We bought it at the beginning of this year because our core business are shafts, and before we were able to grind only shaft until 5,000 millimeter. Now we are able to grind shaft with a length of 5,800 millimeters, and so this is the GIORIA. Our operator is a skilled operator that knows in GIORIA how to use the grinding. So he's able, by a Siemens program, to monitorize in every time the contact between the grinding wheel and the part. As anticipated before, the GIORIA is able to make external and internal grinding operation. We could grind a length of 5,800 millimeter, and we could grind a maximum diameter of 700 millimeter. So we have three axes: the axis Z, the axis X, and the axis B. And we could make a cone plus or minus 10 degrees. With this kind of machine, we could grind every type of material, as a duplex, super duplex, monel, and every other material we could use for shafts.